Hi everyone, my name is Aviral Sharma. This is EFRT Web Application Development. I'm from EFWA team. This video is regarding the user story EFRT-420, which enables user to set up the security questions in open account. The product owner and mentor for our batch is Dr. Masood Sajadi, and these are the contact details. So let's go to Visual Studio. Uh, so, uh, so since there are two requirements for this user story, the first is to populate the list of security questions, and second is to for the security answers. So there were two store procedures made and two APIs which were to be consumed, and the rest of the changes in the business layer and the controller model and the entities were made. So after doing the whole coding, that approach did not work. The two store procedures, one for the security question and for the answers, and the API for the same was not working because the API consumed for the answers should be in the open account. The API consumed should be open account, not the different API. So that was getting clashed. So when I commented this security answer API and commented everything which I did for the security answer uh, store procedure, and I also the store procedure for the security answers, I combined it into the open account store procedure. Let me show this. So this was the initial store procedure which I wrote for the security answers, which was getting clashed with the open account. So what I did was I included that store procedure with this store procedure. You can see these parameters. These are the new parameters for the security questions and answers, so that I could complete the motive which I had to do. So when I coded with this approach, that got me a success. So let's check and test the whole thing. Let's check whether the API, API is running. Let's go to the open account. Let's go with the pre-filled information, date of birth, some random email address, username, Viral, 2, password. So these are the security questions. Let's see. I'm giving some random answers. So CASSD, QWE. So when I submit this, as I as you can see, I am able to successfully register myself. So one thing to test is that the security questions and the corresponding answers should be saved in the database. So let's check the database here. So the table which I created for this was security questions is for questions, security, sec question answer. So sec question answer should have my answers. So let's check ABC, ASSD, QWE, security question ID is 1, 2, and 3 because I selected first three questions. Login ID is 16, 16, 16. So the user login ID is 16. So the login ID with the corresponding question ID and answer is successfully saved in the table. So that was the scope for this user story. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you.